Today, I am reviewing Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 FE. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a phone that combines style, performance, and innovation, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 FE might just be the perfect choice for you in 2025. This phone stands out because it's not just another smartphone. It's a foldable device that brings you power, flexibility, and a futuristic design that still feels compact and practical. Let's start with the design. The Z Flip7 FE carries Samsung's iconic flip form factor, and it's sleeker and more durable than ever. At just 6.9 millimeters thick when unfolded, it feels premium and lightweight in your hand. The hinge is smooth, sturdy, and refined, making opening and closing the phone a satisfying experience. The outer FlexWindow display lets you check notifications, control music, or even use apps without fully unfolding the device, which saves you time and adds convenience to your daily routine. Now, once you flip it open, you're greeted by a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400. Colors look vivid, blacks are deep, and with a 120 Hz refresh rate, everything feels buttery smooth, whether you're scrolling, gaming, or watching videos in high resolution. It's compact when closed, but when opened, you're getting a full-size smartphone experience that can easily rival any flagship device on the market. Performance is another area where the Galaxy Z Flip7 FE truly shines. Powered by the Exynos 2400S5 E9945 processor paired with 8 GB of RAM, this phone can handle demanding tasks with ease. Multitasking, gaming, and even heavy apps feel fluid and responsive. The 256 GB of internal storage also ensures you'll have plenty of space for apps, games, photos, and videos, without constantly worrying about running out of memory. Speaking of photos, the camera system is one of the standout features of this device. The Z Flip7 FE is equipped with a 50-megapixel main sensor, along with a secondary rear camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide option. The front-facing camera delivers crisp selfies, but what makes this phone unique is how the FlexMode allows you to capture shots hands-free. You can place the phone on a table, adjust the angle, and take selfies or group photos without holding the device. This makes content creation so much easier, especially for vloggers or anyone who loves hands-free photography. The 4K and even 8K video recording capabilities also mean you can capture professional quality footage right from your pocket. Another key highlight is the battery life. Despite being compact, Samsung has managed to pack in a 4,000 mAh battery, which is optimized with AI to give you all-day use. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or gaming, the Z Flip7 FE is designed to keep up with you. Add to that fast charging and wireless charging support, and you'll spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying your device. On the software side, the Galaxy Z Flip7 FE runs on Android 16 with Samsung's OneUI 8, offering a clean, smooth, and customizable experience. You also get advanced features like Gemini Live, which works seamlessly with the FlexWindow to help you do more without even opening the phone. Security is top-notch too, with a fingerprint sensor built in, so your data stays safe. One really interesting addition is how this phone integrates with the Samsung Galaxy Ring. When paired together, you can track your sleep, wellness score, and health stats seamlessly. This shows how Samsung is really pushing toward a more connected ecosystem where your smartphone works in sync with your other smart devices. As for connectivity, the Z Flip7 FE supports 5G, Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth, and USB Type-C. And since it's unlocked for all carriers, you can use it with your preferred service provider in the US or abroad. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 FE is a phone that proves you don't need to compromise between performance and style. It's compact yet powerful, fashionable yet functional, and it comes loaded with features like a 50MP camera, 120 Hz AMOLED display, all-day battery, and innovative flex mode. For anyone who values portability, hands-free creativity, and a phone that truly stands out, the Z Flip7 FE is an excellent choice. And with Samsung's 1-year manufacturer warranty, you can purchase with confidence, knowing you're backed by reliable customer support. So, If you're in the market for a phone in 2025 that blends cutting-edge performance with a bold, futuristic design, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE is definitely worth considering.